Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Tro. I am Crypto Tro, bringing you the latest and the greatest in cryptocurrency. And today, man, we're going to talk about Harmony One, and is it possible for Harmony One to do a 10x in the next bull market? So we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about some Harmony One updates and prices and more. But before we get into it, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications. I'm going to continue to bring Harmony One content each and every chance I get because I am still investing in the Harmony One blockchain. I do believe it will appreciate in the bull market. Now, a lot of things have happened, but I still believe the team is very smart and they're doing everything in their power to make sure this next bull market is going to be a good one for the blockchain. So we're going to get into that. But before we do, please, pretty please, consult with a financial advisor before going too deep into the crypto space. I am not telling you to invest in any specific crypto. I'm just talking about my own journey in the crypto space and what I specifically feel about different crypto projects and also my own opinions and thesis. So always come up with your own thesis, do your own research on these crypto projects because these are super volatile crypto projects. And also, this is a new asset class, so we truly don't know what's going to happen in the long term for crypto. But one thing we do know, crypto and blockchain technology will be around in the future. So enough of that, let's get straight into it. We talking about price, man. What is Harmony One's price today? So right now I am on CoinMarketCap. We can see price is at 1 cent, down less than 1% on the day. So a good day, any day or any red day is a buying day, like I always say. And we can see market cap is at $161 million, coming ranked at 157 out of all the cryptos that's out there. Now we can see volume is up 16%, coming in at 6.2 million, ranked 204 or 43. And those are good positions in my personal opinion. People are still, trading Harmony. Volume is still being pumped for Harmony. Now we know the blockchain is very, very new or isn't as old as, Ethereum and other blockchains, but they continue to do a lot of things in the space that I believe is bullish. Now we do and we have suffered from that $100 million hack, but that's being repaired, I believe. That's going to take time. We don't truly know when that's going to be fully repegged or the assets are going to be fully back to, once where they once were, but I do believe over a longevity of time, we will see that happen for the blockchain. And it's the smart people behind this project. So they're coming up with some good ideas, and we just got to trust in what they believe. And if you don't trust in it, you should sell the project. Don't just be waiting around or, just thinking what they're going to do. If they don't give us a clear message, I would personally sell it and move on to the next project. But I wouldn't sell it in the bull market or in the bear market. I would sell it in the bull market. Just because this, even though we see, things happen with the blockchain, bull markets usually bring new participants, people who truly don't know about the crypto space, and they jump into any crypto just based on whatever the narrative may be. And with Harmony still being in that top 200, I believe it's going to be new liquidity coming into the blockchain. Not necessarily saying that's a good thing to use those people as exit liquidity, but I'm just being real. Some people are going to be exit liquidity and people are going to invest in these projects not truly knowing what these projects do, and you'll have the opportunity to sell at a better position. But I do believe the team is going to continue to build throughout the years. They have a long-term mindset, so that's always good. And then we know Binance is still supporting Harmony. Binance is one of the top exchanges, so that's always good to look forward to. And I always say zoom out, man. Even though it says we are down 43% all the time, if you would have started investing in 2020 like I did, I started investing, early 2020, kind of like June of 2020, and prices were less than a penny. So prices were less than a penny at that time, and you could have got in and still made some money and you still would be in profit. Now, prices are at 1 cent right now, so if you would have got in less than a penny, you still would be in profit. But, of course, if you were about all-time highs, then you're very, very much so down. And that's just a part of the crypto space, man. You got to understand that's the crypto space. We don't know what's going to happen. We don't know if these blockchains are truly secure. They can tell us they're doing all these things to secure the blockchain, but until a hack happens, we don't truly know. And that's the beauty and the bad about, the crypto space. And you just gotta love it, man. You gotta love it, and make sure you always investing in something that you believe in, and things gonna happen. It's about how the team bounced back from what happened. So let's get into the good stuff. What we're talking about today is Harmony One able to 10x, man. So I found this chart. Shout out to Kratos. He's one of the community members, and he always puts out good information about Harmony One. So this is a chart just pretty much saying the things we want for Harmony One, AI, and the crypto. So we can see learning machine, always on wearable intelligence agents, require privacy data for one and forever, can generate model marketplaces, be radically fair while aligned for 100 or 10 billion humans. Then we can see cryptography. So blockchains are open platforms with economic security and token governance. Public accounts and smart contracts make all code, assets, data, user forkable. Then we see payments, private micro payments via Telegram on device, wallets, on-chain identity, and social curation for news plus forum. And then prices, smart contracts for auction markets on dynamic tech. Then we got proofs, zero knowledge for bridges, coin mixers, votes, ZK, 20 million parameters in 30 minutes. Then we got the ZK course. Then Harmony economy. We got the 1 second transaction finality and less than 1 cent fees. Immutable governance, minimize 1 USD. We got the Telegram, Harmony One AI bot, diffusion models, art, QR codes, meeting summary. Then we got the website, the one.country. So this is a vision of Web 2 plus Web 3, 0.0 or 10 cent domains, SSL certificates in 5 minutes, Notion and Substack hosting plus vanity URL, owning 1-letter premium domains like h.country as NFT with private email, aliases, and then Yearn for Radical Mind. We're hiring on-site product managers and AI back-end engineers. So they are hiring right now, but it's a lot of things that's going on in the Harmony ecosystem that's continuing to build on top. Now, I do think they have to, get over that hump about the hack, because even though, I know people tat on me talking about the hack, but it happened, man. It happened, and we got to understand in the crypto space, people are going to continue to talk about it until it's really, fully repegged. And when is it going to be repegged? We truly don't know. They're coming up with a solution now. So hopefully that solution is the answer to the problems, and more people can, get away from their minds off of the hack and get into the blockchain technology that Harmony actually has. Now let's get into the good stuff, man. Is Harmony One able to 10x? Now, I don't know about 10x, but I do believe a 5x is very much so possible. I'm comparing Harmony to Algorand. Now, I'm not just comparing it because, I really just want to compare it based off of the market cap, not necessarily similar technologies. One is at 1 cent. Algorand is at 11 cents, but we see Algorand market cap is at $866 million. One is at 147 million. And just with the price, of the same market cap, Harmony One will be 7 cents, and that's a 5x, almost 6x. So I do believe a 6x is possible in my personal opinion. I do believe Harmony One can get right at that $800 million market cap if they continue to grow, especially in a bull market, if they continue to put out good products. Now, I do want to see more DeFi coming back into the ecosystem, because I believe that's going to raise prices tremendously. And I think, more developers should come into the ecosystem before we can absolutely get back into the DeFi of Harmony One, just because a lot of projects have left. A lot of the mainstream projects, a lot of the projects people were invested in and talked about have left. So it's going to be hard getting more developers in, but I do believe over the years, the next bull market, once Harmony One appreciates a little bit more people will start to come back. And once we get that repeg done fully, then more people will, trust Harmony, and the trust will come back within the ecosystem. So that's my video for today, Crypto Tro. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check out my Harmony One playlist. I'm out of here.